After all of those years being stuck on a page, did you ever imagine you'd see me on stage? Now I'm here. There's no telling what may ensue. No, there's no telling what. But I'll give you a clue. Oh, the things you can think. Oh, the things you can think if you're willing to try. Think invisible ink, or a kink with a stink, or a stare to the sky. If you open your mind, oh, the things you will find lining up to get loose. Oh, the things you can think when you think about Seuss.
You don't need an excuse. All the things you can think when you think about Seuss. Seuss, 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 Seuss. Think of an elephant up in a tree. Think of a person too tiny to see.
Think of a bird with a one-feathered tail,
Going on adventure down a dangerous trail.
think of a bird who flies off on a spree.
Think of a kangaroo so as can be.
Think of a general crazy for war.
Think of a cat who pops up at your door.
How do you do and hello? I'll be running the show. I'm your host and MC.
He's your host and MC,
I'll pop up here and there.
and you'll never know where, who or what he might be. You'll see,
Take a tip from the cat and hold on to your hat.
'cause this ain't Mother Goose.
Think right over the brink.
When you think about Seuss. Seuss, 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 Seuss.
An unusual story will soon be unfurled of an elephant trying to save a small world. And a boy from that world who has troubles galore.
Just think, from the planet of Pooh
And the smallest of small,
to the jungle of Newell.
And the largest of all.
You think and 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 think. Just think! Oh, the things you can think. Think and wonder and dream far and wide as you dare. Oh, the things you can think when your things have run dry. In the blink of an eye, there's another thing there. If you open your mind, oh, the things you will find lining up to get loose. Oh, the things you can think. 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 Oh, the things you can think when you think about Seuss. When you think about Seuss. When you think about Seuss. Seuss!
so she flew to the doctor named Dake, whose office was high in a tree by the lake. She cried, Mr. Doctor, oh please, do you know of some kind of pill that will make my tail grow?
Tat, tat, sagt der Doktor. Dieses Gespräch ist zu verrückt. Ihr kleiner Federschwanz ist genau richtig für Ihr Vogelart.
Huh?
In other words, your little tail is just right for your kind of bird.
I was once a plain little bird like you, kid. One pathetic feather was all I grew. I had nothing show-offish but a plain bird to do. And there's certainly nothing show-offish on you. Thank you, Maisie. Then I made a plan for my self-improvement. No more crumbs, I vowed. I would have the cake. Yes, I went to the doctor, Dr. Dake by the lake, and he told me what sort of a pill I should take. Now, I turning green.
What a sight! Amazing, fabulous tale!
Get those pills.
Get some pills.
And you can have thrills for all the world to see. And you can be amazing. Well, almost. As amazing as me.
Hey there, teenage Baltimore. Don't change that channel, 'cause it's time for the Corny Collins Show. Brought to you by Ultra Clutch Hairspray. Oh, every afternoon when the clock strikes 4.